As the leaves change color and the air turns crisp, it's the perfect time to refresh your living room with cozy, fall-inspired decor. You don't need to break the bank to create a warm and inviting space. With a few budget-friendly tips and tricks, you can transform your living room into a fall haven. Here are 10 ideas to get you started. Embrace warm colors. Introduce warm hues like burnt orange, deep reds, and golden yellows to your living room. These colors can be incorporated through throw pillows, blankets, and rugs. Opt for affordable options from discount stores or DIY your own with fabric paint. Consider painting an accent wall in a rich, autumnal shade to create a focal point. You can also use removable wallpaper with fall patterns for a temporary yet impactful change. Mixing and matching different shades within the same color family can add depth and interest to your space. Don't forget to update smaller accessories like picture frames, vases, and candles to match your new color scheme. This cohesive approach will make your living room feel warm and inviting. Add texture with throws and pillows. Layering different textures can make your living room feel cozy and inviting. Look for inexpensive throws and pillows in materials like faux fur, chunky knits, and velvet. These items can be found at thrift stores or on sale at home goods stores. Mixing textures not only adds visual interest, but also makes the space feel more comfortable. Consider layering a chunky knit throw over a velvet sofa or adding faux fur pillows to a leather chair. You can also incorporate textured rugs and curtains to enhance the cozy atmosphere. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns and materials to create a rich, layered look that invites you to snuggle up and relax. Use natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements like pine cones, branches, and leaves. Create simple centerpieces or mantle decorations with items you can find in your backyard or local park. This not only saves money, but also adds an authentic fall touch. Consider filling a glass vase with acorns or arranging dried leaves in a decorative bowl. You can also create a rustic garland using twine and pine cones to drape over your mantel or windows. Adding natural elements like wooden trays, wicker baskets, and stone coasters can further enhance the earthy, autumnal feel of your living room. These touches will make your space feel connected to the season and the outdoors. DIY fall wreaths. A fall wreath can instantly elevate your living room decor. Instead of buying one, make your own using affordable materials like faux leaves, berries, and a grapevine wreath base. There are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through the process. Customize your wreath with personal touches like miniature pumpkins, burlap ribbons, or even small wooden signs with fall-themed messages. You can also create smaller wreaths to hang on interior doors or windows for a cohesive look throughout your living room. Making your own wreath allows you to tailor it to your specific style and color scheme, ensuring it perfectly complements your existing decor while adding a festive, seasonal touch. Swap out artwork. Change up your wall art to reflect the season. Look for printable fall-themed artwork online, which you can print and frame yourself. This is a cost-effective way to update your living room without spending a lot on new pieces. Consider creating a gallery wall with a mix of fall prints, family photos, and seasonal quotes. You can also incorporate DIY art projects, such as pressed leaves framed in shadow boxes or watercolor paintings of autumn landscapes. Swapping out your artwork seasonally keeps your living room feeling fresh and current. Plus, it's an easy way to experiment with different styles and themes without committing to permanent changes. Incorporate candles and lanterns. Candles and lanterns add warmth and ambience to any space. Look for budget-friendly options at dollar stores or discount retailers. Choose scents like pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and apple to enhance the fall atmosphere. Arrange candles of varying heights on your coffee table, mantle, or shelves to create a cozy, layered look. You can also place lanterns filled with fairy lights or battery-operated candles around the room for a soft, inviting glow. Consider using candle holders made from natural materials like wood or metal to complement your fall decor. The flickering light and comforting scents will make your living room feel warm and welcoming. Update your coffee table decor. Refresh your coffee table with fall-themed items like small pumpkins, gourds, and a rustic tray. You can find these items at farmers markets or craft stores. Arrange them creatively to make a stylish and seasonal centerpiece. Consider adding a stack of fall-themed books or magazines for a touch of literary charm. You can also incorporate natural elements like a bowl of pine cones or a vase of dried flowers. Using a mix of textures and heights will create visual interest and make your coffee table a focal point in your living room. This simple update can make a big impact on the overall feel of your space. Transforming your living room for fall doesn't have to be expensive. By embracing warm colors, adding texture, using natural elements, and getting creative with DIY projects, you can create a cozy and inviting space on a budget. These tips and tricks will help you enjoy the beauty of the season without overspending. Happy decorating!